So it starts, draw both hands up along the center line. Push out about eye height. You're going to slightly turn to the right. Come back to center and turn to the left and blade your body almost all the way across. Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is another from our White Tiger series. It's the third burning palm from the Tibetan Llama pie system. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Thanks again, have a great day.
Tibetan Llama pie burning palm 3. Just like all the rest, it's 3 breaths to start. Your breathing sequence is 40, 80, 30, 20. And when you're done, remember, beginner is 3 minutes, advanced 5 minutes. Your palm position is the same. It's right palm over left, thumbs touching. Okay, so I'm going to run through it for about a minute, and I'm going to use moderate to fast breath techniques. So 3 breaths to start. Full breath in. Exhale 40%. Full breath in and out. Full breath in. Exhale 80%. Full breath in and out. Full breath in. Exhale 30%. Full breath in and out. Full breath in. Exhale 20%. Full breath in and out. So here you breathe naturally for 3 to 5 minutes. Moving into the form. So you can do this form really slow that it takes you 5 minutes to go through it, or you can just repeat the movements for 3 to 5 minutes. So it starts, draw both hands up along the center line. Push out about eye height. You're going to slightly turn to the right. Come back to center and turn to the left and blade your body almost all the way across. Right hand drops down, left hand pops across. Switch, right hand on top, left hand drops down, and turn to my left. From here, my left hand's going to come up, my right hand's down. Now pay attention to the waist and hips. These will be palm strikes to the kidney. You're going to do 2 on the left side. We're going to switch and do 3 on the right side. Once again, paying attention to the waist and hips working together. Turning back forward, 5 palm strikes ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the left hand back to the right, palm over palm. Right hand rises up shoulder height, and they drop down. So you can do this form really slow that it takes 5 minutes, or just repeat the movement. So let's go through it one more time. Draw the arms up. Push out in front of you, slight turn to the right. Back to center, full twist to the left. Left hand on top, sweep across. Right hand on top, sweep across. Right hand drops down, front of Dante end. 2 palm strikes to the left, 1 and 2. Switch to the right, 3 palm strikes. 1, 2, and 3, and then 5 in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Left arm comes back, palm over palm, raise both palms up to shoulder height, and drop them down. Once again, that is Tibetan Llama pie burning palm number 3. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.